Hey, y'all, come look at this.
What? Ke batlo bona kuku ke sege kuku and re bone gore kuku ya ANC ka nnete teng na.
On the 20th, people must go to school. Children must go to work.
Let me repeat this. Nizozwa kahle.
On the 20th, people must go to school. Children must go to work.
Did you say that? What you said, you said?
We'll do so just to make sure that we leave no turn unstoned.
Listen properly.
We leave no turn unstoned.
Hong, 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 like that
Honorable
number.
Mattis.
When I have to speak in the past 8 years, very rare I would make a serious contribution.
Namhlanje sikhuluma nge-85% yeyikolo la abantwana bangakhokhi if school fees khona.
Oh, lolo.
We talk about 85% where learners do not cook. We talk about 85% where learners do not cook.
Just listen to that. Just listen to that.
Yeah, this movie. I don't know what will it be called, but the movie is coming here. We are told that we are the main actors of this movie.
Absolutely.